We are Brett and Mandy Jean from the Leather Quill Shoppe. Like everyone, we find ourselves working high-stress jobs with little reward. After searching for quality leather products, we decided to make our own. This idea quickly turned into our dream to work for something we are passionate about. A career we love, working and making products with our hands.
We purchase the highest top and full grain leather from tanneries that are US based and strive to keep our prices affordable.
And we find that the majority of products in our life are disposable and add to the clutter of our life. Isn't it time to pass over the disposable and add tangible goods that last generations? If you love it, keep it.
Our goods have sold to people all over the world, connecting us with friends worldwide.
Looking to expand our humble beginning, we brought our shop home to Michigan in 2018.
We were able to include space for other local artisans in our 120-year-old brick and mortar shop.
Our retail shop in Vernon is home of local heirloom goods and durable wares.